guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some fun and easy bird feeders. So if you guys want to learn how to make them, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so for this activity what you're going to need is some peanut butter. Also, just to let you know, you can use honey if you're allergic to peanut butter, or jam. That works too. You're going to need something to spread your peanut butter with. I'm using a butter knife. You're gonna need your toilet paper roll. You're gonna need a string or anything to hang your little paper roll, and some seeds. The first thing we're gonna do is open our peanut butter. Right there. We're gonna grab our little toilet paper roll and grab some peanut butter. And then you're just gonna spread. And you're making a sandwich. So once you have that ready, here, I'm gonna move that. We're gonna grab our seeds and we're gonna place our toilet paper roll covered with peanut butter, and we're just gonna press down and roll. Super easy. Once you have it ready to go, let me clean my hands real quick. You're gonna have you grab your string or yarn or whatever you're using to hang your little toilet paper roll. You're gonna put the string through the tube or roll, and then at the very end you're gonna make a knot right here. Just like that. So there you guys have it, your own bird feeder. Alright guys, so once you have your bird feeder, what you want to do is just find a spot. I found this rose bush that I have at home, and I put a little stick through here, which is going to make it easier for the birds to stand on it and eat the seeds. So yeah, just look for a spot where to hang it and look for a little stick. Any stick that can fit through there would be helpful for the little birds. Alright guys, if you guys want to keep watching more of those videos, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. Also, you guys can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll be doing more of those videos like this one. If you guys try it at home, it's super fun, and you get to see the birds eat actually the seeds, which is so cute and fun. But yeah, bye!